以自己功利主義或者係利益掛帥行先嘅人，你會睇佢哋為人處世個 style。你信咗主之後，你會挑戰翻自己呢啲嘅諗嘢法嘅，而唔係話事後咧係人哋話俾你聽先嘅。但係有啲人唔係，你同佢講咧仲要拗㗎。我同你講2分鐘可以講完嘅嘢，你一定要我講20個鐘。咁多年當中，其實我最憎同呢啲人拗。
In the shattered night, I hear the cries. Some say faith is but a trade in disguise, exchanging gifts for peace and wealth. You're questioning God when there's no more benefit. When we learn to let go, we can see our lives begin to glow. How many times have we fed with good intent? Chains of reliance growing more intense, until we learn to say no. Only then can we see life's glow.
有啲人直情係一生都唔使接觸我，就算你係親戚都唔使講，因為嗰啲人根本係浪費我嘅時間。你反而揾教會當中一個平信徒去跟進嗰個人呢，仲好。一個真係完全投身喺信仰生活裏邊嘅人，就算佢唔識得好似我咁作選擇，我同佢傾一傾講一講，佢哋即刻改嘅。
Some choose to leave while others will stay. Some keep on complaining while some find their way. When we stop feeding the stoves with our care, only then can we see the soil begin to flare. When the light comes pouring in, is the longing for change within. Not a cry